Hi, are you a buyer thinking, gosh, I missed my opportunity? I should have purchased a home last year when interest rates were low, and now they're just so high. Are you listening to the news and feeling like everything is doom and gloom? Well, I'm here to help dispel some of those falsehoods. My name is Elise Fay. I'm with the Sibbach Team and EXP Realty. And I have a little presentation to share with you, some numbers that I feel will really explain why and point to the fact that now is the great time to be a buyer. There's some amazing opportunities, and I definitely don't want anyone to miss out. My presentation's a little rudimentary, but please hang in there. I think the numbers will be of great help. So we have the true cost of waiting. And we're going to compare some numbers from March of 22 to September of this year. So let's assume that you were looking at a house that was approximately 2,500 square feet. The average price per square foot 6 months ago was about $306. Today, we're around $280 a square foot. That takes the purchase price from $765,000 to $700,000. Now, as far as the down payment, 6 months, a year ago, your offer would not have been considered if you didn't put at least 20% down. Today, you can get into a home for as little as 10% down. Look what that does to your down payment, from $143,000 to $70,000. That's a huge savings. Repairs, 6 months ago, the sellers weren't doing any repairs. If you didn't take the house as is, there were 10 other people in line waiting. Now we're seeing the sellers make repairs or offer credits of up to $15,000. And sellers are even contributing towards the buyer's costs to help them lower their interest rate. Appraisal shortfalls, we all heard the stories. People were spending at least $50,000 above appraised value to get their offer accepted. Now, we're not seeing any of that. And sometimes you even had to give the seller a free 60-day lease back. Well, that ultimately cost you money. We're not seeing that today either. So yes, your loan amount has increased because your down payment is lower. Interest rates are higher, from 3.5% to about 6% right now. And that brings your monthly payment up to about $1,100 more today. But look at this number. Your cash needed to close went from almost $200,000 to just $68,000. That's $130,000 savings. Just think, you could get into a house for far less than you could 6 months ago. And you could refinance this out in a couple of years. Interest rates are not forever. And you may also get the seller to make a contribution to help you lower your interest rate and still put $130,000 back in your bank account. So I'm here to just dispel some of the rumors, and I really don't want to see anyone miss out on this opportunity that we are experiencing right now in the real estate market, and it is an opportunity. So the buyers, if you felt like you missed the boat, give me a call. And if you know someone who's in a rental and is thinking of renewing their lease, please share this video. Share my contact information. I'd be happy to sit down and go over the numbers with them and help them to make a really strong financial decision.